in order to create a smoke that looks good in a render, you need to light the smoke so that it will look good in the render. I'm actually going to take the default light and delete it so that there's an absence of illumination to the particles. And I'm also going to make sure that the global ambience is turned off. We have a global ambience of about 20%. Next, I'm going to bring in two lights. All I'm going to really need here is a key main light and a fill light. I might want a couple of backlights to provide some rim to the particles. I'll turn on the shadows for my main light, and I'll take the umbra down so we cast a dark shadow. And I'll actually just move the key light to an angle where I can actually see what's going on. Okay, so we'll do something like that. For the key light, 75%. We'll actually have it pick up a little bit of the pink from the environment, just a hair of it. And then I'll also duplicate that light. I'll actually move the duplicate over here. And I'll use this for my backlight or my fill light. I'm going to turn off the specular emission on the fill light, take its color intensity down somewhat, and also turn shadows off. So when I look at these particles now rendered with the light, I get nothing because I'm looking through the backside of my sky dome. So let me look at fixing that problem. I actually have backface culling on right now if I looked under the display options. So I'll just turn backface culling off and then move into the scene. I can also just zoom out a little bit on the camera. I really want to get a sense of what these particles are doing, so just draw another render region and see what we end up with. Okay, so as expected, we get the particles rendering off with just a flat gray Phong shader. So we'll be using the volumetric shader to help modulate this effect.